Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys can see right here, it came in with this packaging. It was still sealed when I got it, so I just removed the tag right here. So yeah, I'm just letting you know that this is a true unboxing. So I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys together with you today. So this particular item, I have searched for this for quite a long time. I did ask my essay about this piece. She couldn't source it out. I've tried to other resources as well. The resale market right there, I've tried, and finally, I don't even know what happened, that finally the other day I decided to add this in my collection. I mean, this particular piece, I mean, it is highly sought after, and it seems like Louis Vuitton are started producing quite a lot of these, but I wanted this specific color, especially this color. I don't know, it's so hard to get a hands on this color for some reason. So anyway, so I was able to open the other side of it. Okay, like that. And I'm going to open this part right here. I have to lift the box so I wouldn't damage the inside. So okay, here we are. Here comes, okay, as you guys can see, I found this item at Fashion File. So as you guys can see, they have confettis right here. Right here. This is the receipt, I believe. Here comes the box. This is the Fashion File packaging. I'm just gonna take it like this. I'm surprised that this one came in with the box. Okay, are you guys ready to show you what I got? Okay, as usual, they gave you this dust bag and oops. Okay, so there is no Louis Vuitton dust bag, just the Fashion File dust bag, and I am going to show you. Okay, so here's the item. Oh, actually, it came in with dust bag, which is quite nice. Right there, there is also a tag as well. The ribbon, and also, wow, this one right here, the product information, M57792. Oh, that's quite cool. Wow, that's lovely. And here comes, wow, oh my goodness, she is stunningly beautiful. Wow, the color, it seems like this one has a orange undertone though. It is not like red, like the one I'm actually wearing right now. It is red. My nails are red. But this seems to look like it has this orange undertone to it. Wow. Very, very soft. Very supple. Oh my gosh. So this one is made up of lambskin, as we guys all know. And as you guys can see right here, there is, this one is embossed with the Louis Vuitton monogram. As you guys can see right there, they are all over it. Wow, very nice. And this one is really puffy. Very nice. And as you guys can see right here, there is a zip closure. Yeah, this one, when I look at this online, this one is described as excellent condition, but it doesn't mean it's it means it's excellent, that there could be a sign of wear in it. There might be some scratches, as you guys can see. there is some scratches on the hardware, the gold hardware. And then let's open this piece right here. And yeah, this one has 1, 2, 3 compartments with a microfiber lining, which is awesome. Definitely, I love the lining for this piece. That's why I told my essay, like, I wanted to get this. Oh my goodness. And she said, you're already late, it's already been sold out. But don't worry, Louis Vuitton keep releasing brand new colors and a lot of colorways, a lot of sizes as well. We have MM, PM, then the BB size, and they also have the micro one, which is where you could use it as a belt bag. So eventually there is going to be a lot more coming, but I wanted this color specifically. Okay, so let's take a look at on this first compartment right here. It says here, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. That is awesome. And it has the date code right here on this corner. So that's the date code. That is really nice. So that means I think this is the first generation for the Cousin bag. And then we have the compartment right here in the middle, which has a zipper as well. It's a gold hardware zipper. Let me see if this one works. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it works fine. It's a little bit distorted though for some reason. Okay, so that's the compartment right there. It looks pretty clean though. And then the last one right here, it is on the large. Oh wow, this is the largest one right here. And I don't know if it's just me, but I'm actually seeing a stain. This was not described though. There is a little bit of stain inside. I'm not sure if my camera is picking up, but that one right there, yeah, it looks like it is a bubblegum stained. Oh my goodness, I didn't know that. They didn't say. It says excellent, there might be some sort of stain or whatever, but they did not disclose. If I have known, I probably would have think twice. But yeah, so yeah, this is really nice. And let me see something on the other side. So on the other side, yeah, this is just this strap right here. The strap is in a little bit more likely in, yeah, more likely an orange color though. So it's not even the same as the purse itself. This one is lighter than the purse itself, which is odd. And also this one right here, it still has sticker on this side, and it still has a sticker right here. They haven't removed it. This is the tag from the fashion file itself. And let me see the bottom. So okay, it's actually looking pretty good. I still have to check this before I'd make a decision whether to keep it or not. But as far as like looking at the color is absolutely amazing. And okay, so this is the strap. The strap is actually adjustable and removable as well. And yeah, and this one has a vachetta right here. This is yeah, where you could adjust here. Yeah, that's the thing, is I'm a little bit sensitive when it comes to vachetta. I'm not a fan of it, you know. I mean, I wish you could have just treated this, the one that's already been patinaed. I'd prefer that, but this one is still looking good. And also, yeah, this one is removable, as I mentioned. And another thing that I also wanted to point out is that this one did not came in with the chain. So I'm not sure if this is a good purchase. I'm not sure if this is a smart purchase on my side. That's because I know that I think right now this one is priced as $3,900 US. That's before tax for the Kusan PM, and I paid around 3,000 for this. So with taxes and everything, I paid around 3,300. I don't know if it's worth it. I am not sure yet. That's because I just got this piece. I'm very excited. I have been searching for this color in such a long time, and they have a brand new one. I think that was 4,600 for brand new. And I was thinking, if this one is in great condition, that if I am pleased with the condition, I could just always call my essay and ask for the chain strap that came with it. And I believe the chain strap is around 260 or 280. I'm not sure. So it's still a good savings though, rather than just paying compared to 4,600 on the website, or because they couldn't source this piece for me, I could have gotten it at Louis Vuitton to get some peace of mind that I got the item that I wanted. Everything is complete with that price, because the price is actually pretty close though with what I actually paid for the MSRP on this piece. But then again, this is the only color that I think that is so pretty that I wanted to add it in my collection. They do have a lot of colorways coming out very soon. There is a ton online with the Kusan bag, and I'm not sure. I would definitely gonna do an update on this piece, whether I wanted to keep it or not. And I could literally compare this. Let me try to compare this in my Louis Vuitton a toiletry 26 pouch in an empreinte leather. Let me get that one first. So this is my Louis Vuitton toiletry 26 pouch in Rouge color, and I was really expecting that it would be like the same color. So this oh my gosh, this is my all-time favorite. This is made up of empreinte leather. She is so beautiful. She is stunning. It's gorgeous. And the embossing for this one is actually really nice. Right here on this side. I've actually used this quite a lot though, and it is holding up beautifully, nicely. And it's so hard to see some wear on this piece. That's because it is made up of empreinte leather. You could not really see scratches or anything. That's because of the grain itself. She's stunning. So this is the comparison with the color right here. So this is in Rouge color, and then this is the one that I actually got it on Fashion File. So this was the Rouge and the red color right there. So there's like a significant difference on the color itself. And yeah, this is really nice too. This is really nice. But I was really expecting, based on the photos, I haven't really seen this in person yet, nor I have not checked on others' vlog on the website, just because the Kusan is all over the place. You could easily find that at the store, but it like I said, it's I've wanted to add this particular color in my collection. But so far, right now, this one is made up of lambskin, and this one is made up of empreinte leather, and I believe that this one is more durable than the lambskin. That's a no-brainer question actually, because yeah, this is very delicate. The lambskin is very delicate, you know, but wow, it's very soft, very supple. It feels and it looks luxurious. So that's the only thing about this particular leather. Really, really love it so much. So yeah, this is my unboxing. This is my latest unboxing on Louis Vuitton piece, and I still have to think. I still have to dissect this piece, whether if I wanted to add her in my collection, or just wait what's actually coming. Maybe sooner in summer they're gonna come up with some really nice colorway. But I'm such a fan of the red color, and this seems to looks like closer to what I've actually looking for. And she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.